Alright guys, let's flip on this light and see if it helps. It's a little too white. Is that better? Alright guys, so you tell me if the light helps or if you like it better without the light. No light? Light. No light? Light. I kind of like the light. Lets you really see back in there and see some stuff that you would be tough to see without the light. So, alright guys. Took me about 45 minutes or an hour here, but we got the WR torn down. Ended up having to take the flywheel off because I dropped a half moon behind it. I actually dropped the half moon and couldn't find it, and didn't think it was back there. And then you have to take it off and check, and I took it off to check, and there it was. So there we go. While I had it off, I figured I could go ahead and check, make sure the starter clutch was working. So it works fine. See, it spins to the left freely and then it locks up. Spins to the left freely, but in the other way it locks up. That's exactly how it should work. So that's all good. Got my, normally when I do KTM 4-strokes, I put the piston in the cylinder first because that's how all the KTM manuals say to do it, and they have a tool to put it in there. I've always done Japanese stuff by putting the piston on first and then popping the cylinder over, but I'm going to try it with the cylinder on first, especially since I don't have anybody here to help me get the rings in from the other side. So guys, I don't know, like, this is the A piston in here. It still feels pretty tight to me, tighter than it should, so I don't know. I'm going to measure it and make sure I don't have an egg-shaped cylinder. I don't know, like, if this isn't any better, I guess I'm going to have to get a cylinder too at some point if this one's egg-shaped. I don't know, but this A piston doesn't feel as tight as the B. But here's the B. And if you look, if you can see right there, it's already has substantial scratching, like right there. I don't know if it'll focus, but there's substantial scratching for like the 2 or 3 hours that's on this bike, or on this piston. So I don't know. I've got the A piston. I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna see if it makes it any easier to start. Also, my auto decomp on the cam seems to be a little sticky, but then it kind of, after I played with it, it started to free up a lot more. So I don't know, oil's real sludgy, needs cleaned out good. I'm gonna put this thing back together and see what it does. I'll keep you guys posted for sure. So just another little update on the WR, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.